The best exercise food page is very simple. It's designed to keep all track of all your successes in the same place. So when you try new food and or you try a new exercise program, you want to make sure that you keep track of exactly what's working for you and what's not. If you do it and you put it all in one place on this page, then you'll be able to go back on a regular basis and say, okay, if I get stuck or if I have problems, you can always revert back to this page and say, okay, let's fall back to the things we know work. This kind of food, I mean, when I eat a good moist pork chop with some broccoli and some carrots type of thing, I feel the best. I have better energy. I lose weight. I feel better. That's the kind of stuff that you want to write down on this page. You want to write down some of your favorite meals that you know give you good energy and make you feel good about yourself and about where you're going. And then you also want to make sure that you write down some of the exercises that you have found that really help you to lose weight. Personally, I know for a fact that if I do low intensity, long duration, in other words, a low intensity, long workout, I lose weight. I know that for a fact. So I know that would go on what fitness works best for me is doing those kinds of things. Another thing that works best for me is yoga, because I know that if I can do low intensity, long duration type stretching, I do the best. It feels best for me. Write down what feels best for you and what effects it has on you, and not only on you physically, but emotionally. Because if you can link these good, successful diet or nutritional things and fitness things with your emotions, you double linked them to how well you're going to do in the future. It's all about not only how you feel, but it's how you react to that feeling and how you can use that reaction to catapult you to successes in the future. So the best exercise and food page is designed for you to write down your successes so that you can use those successes to keep you on the right track and keep going in the future.